Today I'm going to show you how to change the client ID of a connector in Base44 in just a few quick steps. This is a simple but useful update if you need to refresh your connector settings, switch to a different app configuration, or correct an existing value without rebuilding everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go to the bottom left corner of your Base44 dashboard and click the profile icon. This is where your account and workspace options are located. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look for Connectors and click it. This section lets you manage the connectors that are connected to your Base44 account. Now find the connector you want to update and click View. This will open the details for that specific connector so you can inspect and adjust its configuration. After that, click Edit. When the edit screen opens, locate the client ID field. This is the value you want to change. Carefully type in the new client ID, making sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes, because even a small typo can cause the connector to stop working correctly. Once the new client ID is entered, click Save Changes. Base44 will update the connector settings right away, and your new client ID will be stored. And that's it. You've now changed the client ID of a connector in Base44. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more short tutorials like this one.